This is going to be a very different kind of video. It's going to be quite short, but I'm giving you a drone view of my growing spaces and garden. My son happened to be in town this weekend, and he brought his drone and his beautiful little 5-year-old daughter, who you will see hopping around the video. But this is my growing spaces, and these are two of the big 4 by 24 beds, and the large area, which is 70 by 16 and 8 respectively. This is our pot bed, where it just holds a lot of pots, so it's easy to change. This is our what I guess well, it's our deck, but we have a pergola over the top, and our dinos. And this is a picture of kind of the main street in the city that we live in. There's our new grand puppy that was visiting. Beautiful little Australian cattle dog. Here's our city, and here's a obviously aerial view. It's really fun for me to see our property from this angle. So you can see I have a decent amount of growing space. It's very fun. And here we are zooming in on my husband, who said he never wanted to be in any of my videos, but I guess you can't be obsessed with a drone that's obviously taking your picture. So anyway, here's kind of a backwards view of everything. I hope you enjoyed this. We had fun making it. And up front there, we're going to be landscaping this year. So stay tuned, because we'll take you with us on that venture. Anyway, hope you are all well. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.